Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to analyze your website's performance using PageSpeed Insights. Let's get started. First, you'll want to type in the URL of the website you'd like to test in this input field. Once you've entered your URL, go ahead and click the Analyze button to start the performance check. You'll notice you can toggle between mobile and desktop views here. This is really useful since your site's performance can vary quite a bit depending on the device. These core web vitals show how your site performs for real users. Pay special attention to FCP, LCP, and CLS, as these three metrics have the biggest impact on user experience. If you scroll down, you'll find your overall performance score, along with specific recommendations for improving your site's speed. That's all there is to it. You now know how to run a complete performance analysis on any website. Feel free to run through this again anytime.